Scalea is an Italian resort with a twist, one of a very few seaside towns with a historical centre walking distance to the sea. With a maze of narrow streets, piazzas and restaurants, Scalea's old town is a few minutes' walk to the main town centre. Close to the Norman castle at the top of the old town, we have a large building which is offering two solutions for renovation. Plans for the renovation, Unit C. The buildings are accessed off Via Purgatorio, each with its own independent entry. The first ruin would make 90 square meters of internal space over 3 floors, using the 2 lower floors for bedrooms and a bathroom on each floor, allowing for the upper floor to benefit from the views. The ground and first floor could be developed into 2 bedrooms per floor, with a family bathroom on each floor. The top floor we see as a large open-plan living area with balcony and sea views. The roof area can be utilized as a terrace with access from an internal stair. A major feature to this property is a grotto etched out in the rock face. A large plot of land to the side of this property, approximately 20 square meters. Ideal to create a patio area, which would also benefit from the views. Plans are made to share a second plot of land between 6 properties in the street to make a communal patio garden. Parking is beneath the Norman castle, a couple of minutes' walk from the property. We have over 16 years' experience developing ruins. Using only the best local professional builders and technical team, we will help you realize your dreams in owning a little piece of Italian history.